Yeah, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we have to talk about the molar mass of the polymer. It is very much important as per as the determination of the molecular weight, or you can say the weight of the polymer simply, or the mass of the polymer. That particular molecular weight of the polymer, it is very much important because it determines the many physical properties, as you know, transition temperature, mechanical properties like the stiffness, viscoelasticity, toughness. These all properties depends upon the mass of that particular polymer. Polymer is nothing but the mixture of the molecules of the various molar masses and molecular size and do not possess the unique molar mass. Hence, we are always considering the average molar mass of the polymer. क्या पता चल रहा है आपको कि हम लोग पॉलीमर का मोलार मास जो है वो एवरेज मोलार मास लेते हैं. वी आर नॉट टेकिंग द डायरेक्ट वैल्यू बिकॉज इट इज नॉट द यूनिक. क्योंकि पॉलीमर में क्या होता है, ढेर सारे मोनोमर्स रहते हैं, बराबर है. देयर आर द नंबर ऑफ मोनोमर्स लिंक टुगेदर, and that's why we can't take that particular unique molar mass. In the practical viscosity experiment you did already in the laboratory, right? That polyvinyl alcohol you have taken and you have prepared the different concentration of that polyvinyl alcohol in terms of the percentage, and you have checked that particular flow rate, or say you can say the time factor you have studied, and you have related the time factor with the
Sir,
viscosity.
screen
From
is
that
not
viscosity
visible.
measurement, hello.
सर आप ही दिख रहे हैं.
हाँ सर, स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है.
Oh, that problem is again. Now it is visible or not?
No, sir.
Just a minute. Now see, it is visible.
नो
No,
सर.
sir.
That problem again. Just now tell me it is visible or not? Huh? Yeah, it is visible now.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to talk about the molar mass of the polymer. That molar mass is nothing but these things. These properties are very much important. Okay. Then you know the polymer basically is nothing but a mixture of molecules of the various molar masses and different size. They do not possess the unique molar mass, and hence average molar mass is considered. For the polymer, you have to always remember, and you did the experiment already in the lab. As I said, viscosity experiment. Polyvinyl alcohol, you have prepared a different concentration in terms of the percentage, and for this particular solution, you have measured that flow rate, or say time, flow time, and from that you have compared the viscosity and you have calculated the molar mass of that polymer by using that Mark-Hawking equation. Okay, here these are the viscosity measurement. These are There are the many ways to calculate the average molar mass or say molecular weight. First method is the number average molar mass, that is denoted by the Mn bar, weight average molar mass Mw bar, viscosity average molar mass, that is the Mv bar. Are you getting these three different types of this particular methods, or say ways are there to express the that particular molar mass or say molecular weight of the polymer? Okay, this Mn bar, Mw bar, Mv bar. Number average molar mass. Now we have to talk about this particular. This number average molar mass Here we have to consider a property which is only sensitive to the number of the molecules present. A property that is not influenced by the size of the any particles or any that particular molecules. Example is a colligative property. For such a properties, the average molar mass is the total weight of the polymer is divided by the number of polymer molecule. This is called as the number average molar mass. जैसे कि कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज के लिए जिसमें सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इंपॉर्टेंट रहते हैं, ओके, उसके लिए एवरेज मोलार मास जो है that is expressed in terms of total molar weight of the polymer divided by the number of polymer molecule, and this is called as the number average molar mass denoted by the symbol Mn bar. Consider a polymer sample in which the N1, N2, 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 N3 be the number of molecules having the molar masses M1, M2, M3. Then Mn bar is given by Mn bar is equal to N1, M1 plus N2, M2 plus N3, M3 dot 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 dot. Polymer में number of molecules fixed नहीं रहते, आपको पता है N1 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. देखो weight क्या दिया, total weight of the polymer. अभी weight of the polymer कैसे निकालते हैं, number of molecules into molar mass. Okay, उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है. ओके, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को किससे, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मोलार मास से. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, वेट मिलेगा, वेट ऑफ द पॉलीमर Nm. ओके, W इज इक्वल टू Nm. दैट्स व्हाई समेशन Ni अभी जनरलाइज करना होगा तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे, समेशन Ni डिवाइडेड बाय समेशन Ni. क्यों, क्योंकि n नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स विल बी देयर इन द पॉलीमर. Therefore, Mn is equal to total weight of the polymer divided by the total number of the polymer molecule. Mn bar is equal to summation Xi, where Xi is the mole fraction of the molecule, which is denoted by the symbol Ni upon summation Ni. Ni upon summation Ni. But Ni is equal to Wi, that I already said weight here. And that's why Ni is equal to Wi upon Mi. You can substitute in this formula. अभी किसके अगेंस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, Ni के अगेंस्ट. अगर Ni के अगेंस्ट आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करते Wi upon Mi, तो आपको क्या मिलने वाला है फॉर्मूला, यहाँ से Mi गेट कैंसिल, ये फॉर्मूले में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. तो Mi विल गेट कैंसिल, लीजर क्या रहेगा, Wi समेशन Wi डिवाइडेड बाय समेशन Wi upon Mi. ये दूसरा फॉर्मेट है इसका. अगर आपको वेट दिया होगा तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट. अगर आपको नंबर ऑफ मोल्स दिए होंगे या नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स दिया होगा, मोलार मास दिया होगा, तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. वेट दिया होगा आपको और मोलार मास दिया होगा तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है एवरेज नंबर एवरेज मोलार मास कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. Then second one is the weight average molar mass, MW bar. Here the V is there, that is a W. Consider property which depend not only on the number of polymer molecules but also on the size or say weight of the each polymer molecule. Then that particular for this such a polymer, the weight average molar mass is used. Here the property is again light scattering. For weight average molar mass, the total number of polymers in number average molecular weight is replaced with the weight of the polymer having molar mass Mi. क्या कर रहे देखो, total number of polymers in number average molecular weight is replaced with the weight of the polymer having molar mass Mi. किसको रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं हम लोग, are you getting that point? रिप्लेस किसे किया जा रहा है, हेलो, डेफिनेशन समझ में आ रही है क्या, कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉलीमर्स इन नंबर एवरेज मॉलिक्यूलर वेट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय द वेट ऑफ द पॉलीमर हैविंग मोलार मास Mi. Therefore weight of the polymer is equal to NiMi. Therefore the summation that MW bar is equal to summation NiMi square upon Ni. Replacing with Ni with NiMi, you will get MW bar is equal to summation NiMi, okay, divided by NiMi, and you will get the formula like that, summation NiMi square, okay, divided by summation NiMi. that you can write in terms of the weight के terms में लिखना होगा m w bar is equal to summation. ये formula ध्यान में रखना है आपको, summation n I m I square divided by summation n I m I. This is the final formula. Okay, ये हमारा एम एन बार वाला है. ओके, और ये आपका एम डब्ल्यू वाला है. एम डब्ल्यू बार इज इक्वल टू, अब इसको वेट के टर्म में लिखने का होगा तो समेशन डब्ल्यू आई एम आई डिवाइडेड बाय समेशन डब्ल्यू आई, वेयर डब्ल्यू आई इज इक्वल टू एन आई एम आई. ये दैट वी हैव सीन ऑलरेडी. देन लास्ट मेथड इज द विस्कोसिटी एवरेज मोलार मास, that is denoted by the symbol mv bar. mv bar is determined by the intrinsic viscosity and Marx Hawking equation. मैंने जब पहले बताया आपको, ये इक्वेशन आपने यूज किया है. mv bar is equal to summation ni divided by summation ni. अब ये summation ni raised to 1 upon 1 plus alpha है. ओके, और ब्रैकेट रेज टू 1 अपॉन अल्फा. अल्फा इज अ कांस्टेंट एंड वेरीज फ्रॉम 0.1 टू 1, वो डिपेंड है, हाँ वैरी होता है हर एक के लिए. ये फॉर्मूला आपने यूज किया है. ये जस्ट फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. इन द एग्जाम they may ask the question like that, how the molar mass of the polymer is expressed. okay, 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन भी आता है. Then define polydispersity index, monodisperse polymer and polydisperse polymer. Polydispersity index, it is also known as the PDI. PDI क्या है? It is nothing but a ratio of the weight average molar mass and number average molar mass is called as the polydispersity index. Polydispersity index क्या है? It is simply the ratio of MW bar upon MN bar. अब मोनोडिस्पर्स पॉलीमर किसे कहते हैं? कि जिसकी पॉलीडिस्पर्सिटी इंडेक्स 1 चाहिए. दैट मींस द पॉलीमर whose molecules have nearly same molecular weight, they are called as the molar disperse polymer. For these molecules mw is equal to mn. okay, मतलब उसका that what we can say weight average molar mass and number average molar mass same है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मोनोडिस्पर्स पॉलीमर. okay, example दिया natural polymers such as the protein nucleic acids, ये monodisperse है. Then polydisperse polymers molecule have the wide range of the molecular weight are called as a polydisperse polymer. For this particular thing mw bar will be greater than mn, therefore PDI will be greater than 1. Example, all the synthetic polymers are the polydisperse polymer. It is very much important as per as the MCQ is concerned. Polydispersity index is very much important as far as the synthesis of the polymer is concerned. मतलब क्या होता है? पॉलीडिस्पर्सिटी इंडेक्स से पता चलता है कि उसमें यूनिक साइज के मॉलिक्यूल है या यूनिक साइज के मोनोमर्स है या नहीं, क्या अलग अलग है. दैट इज द इंडिकेटर फैक्टर ओनली हियर. ओके, अब ये किस लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है? इसके अलग अलग आगे मैंने बताया कि दैट इज उसके जो प्रॉपर्टीज है, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, जो उसके किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? मोलार मास के ऊपर डिपेंड है या मॉलिक्यूलर वेट के ऊपर डिपेंड है. तो इसलिए पीडीआई इज अल्टीमेटली वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट एज पर एज द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी इज कंसर्न. ओके, एनी डाउट इन दैट पार्ट? या एनी डाउट? You any doubt you can ask. Umar?
No, sir.